If you are wondering if you can scan documents on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, if we open our camera app, we can go to the four dots and click on the gear icon to open settings. Then select the scanning, and inside there's option called document scan. Now you can scan documents in two different ways. First one is through the camera. So if you go back to your camera screen, you can lift your phone and point the camera at the paper, document or box or whatever thing you want to scan. And then if it's detected as object that can be scanned, it will show you the pop-up right here that allows you to open a scan. If you don't want to use it like this, you can always add additional options. So let's go back to the document scanning right here and then activate option called add document scan to app screen. Now you'll be able to open the individual document scanner by selecting the app drawer and then type in document scan right here in the search. That way you can open it and scan any documents you like. Let me show you the example in this box right here. So we can grab our phone, point it into the box so that we can scan it, and then we can check the scan in the camera, it's in the photo itself. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.